Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Churches Teaches. In this channel, I share dressmaking tutorials, bag making tutorials, and DIY. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this Ankara cross side bag. If you're interested to know how I went about designing this cross side bag, let's get straight into the video. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you all. Let's get straight into the video. This is the shape I want my cross bag to look like. So I went on cutting out the exact shape using my Mako and for the front and the back. I'm trying to target where my zipper is going to place. You understand? So I came down by 6 inches. After I was done measuring the zipper part and the lower part, the zipper part is 15 inches and the lower part is 16 inches. So I got another marker for it and the width is 2.5 inches. So this one is going to serve for the zipper part. Then this second one is for the lower part of our bag. Zipper part, and you already know that the width is 2.5 inches, so I'm going to be marking out 1 inches to divide it. This is where our zipper is going to enter. We are going to be taking everything step by step so that you guys will not be confused. So I went on cutting out my fabric the same shape with the Marco. So I got my zipper. I wanted to have an illusion of slanty in the front of my bag. So I'm going to go up by 3 inches where I'm going to get that illusion of slanted parts. Just watch carefully, you're going to understand what I'm doing. Then if you watch, I don't want the zip to be at the extreme. So I'm going to minus 1 inch on both sides. You understand? Because when the zip is at the extreme, it's going to affect the sewing. So I'm going to use this material to complete the length of our zip. Watch carefully guys, you are going to surely understand. Trying to cover up this rough edge. So this house looking like I did the same thing to the both side and I'm going to cut out this excess allowance. Then I'm going to place it good face to good face and go and stitch it. The next thing now is for us to now form the pockets, the inner pockets. Okay, guys, if you are not following me in this process of adding inner pockets this way, I have a detailed tutorial on where I taught everything. I detailed everything. You understand? Because this video is already long. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. After I coming it round, you add a little and I'm going to attach the front part to it. Then you trim out the excess allowance and I'm going to stitch it round. I'm trying now to cover the inner parts. After I was done trimming the excess allowance, this is how it's looking like, looking so beautiful. So guys, the next thing now is for us to attach our cord, and this is a very strong cord. Now I'm going to cover the cord with this fabric, the same fabric, and I'm going to stitch it round. The place that the both cord met, watch carefully how I'm going to cover it up with the small pieces. So guys, we are done with the front part. We are going to be working on the back part. I'm going right now to attach my inner pocket. So if you're confused on how I'm attaching my inner pocket, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box where I detailed everything you need to know about adding your inner pocket to any bag. Then I'm going to attach my gum to the marco for the bag, and I'm going to place the front part of the bag. And I also gum the inner part the same way. Then I already covered my cord with the material I'm going to stitch it round. Now is that I'm covering the marco for the zipper part with the fabric. So guys, I also have a tutorial where you can cover up your zipper part neatly. I'm also going to be leaving the link in the description box. Please check it out if you are being confused, but if you understand, let's keep going, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. This is how the side is looking like. So right now I'm going to get the front and I'm going to find the middle, both the up and the down. And I'm going to do the same thing to the side, and I'm going to stitch it round. For the back part, we are going to be needing a belt, adjuster and a ring, and the length of my belt is 55.5 inches. Right now I'm trying to create a small pieces that I'm going to attach my belt to it, and also attach it to the back of the bag. To make use of this 4 inches belt for the next ring, then I'm going to come down by 1.5 inches, and I'm going to place it this way slanty, and this how it's looking like once I was done with everything, and I'm going to pass my adjuster through it. to passing my adjuster through it. I also have a detailed tutorial that I did the same thing. I'll be leaving everything in the description box. So guys, once I was done with this, then I'm going to place it inside and I'm going to stitch it round. I'll be making use of this fabric because the fabric is finished. Then I'm going to use it and comb it round so as it will be neat. After combing it, this is how it's looking like. Everything came out really nice. Then I'm going to turn it. So guys, after turning it, this is how it's looking like. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next tutorial.